what's going on? It's Adam with TSM Fakes here, and today I have for you guys 12 booster packs, which are upside down. So, let me just focus in here. Hang on, I'll be back in a sec. So I have 12 booster packs here for you guys today. I have 6 Abyss Rising, 3 Cosmo Blazer, and 3 Duelist Alliance. So, let's get straight into this. I haven't opened one of these packs in a long time, so please excuse me if it is really gluggy. So we have Mermail Abyss Lung, Metallizing Parasite Saltite, Unification, Mecha Sea Dragon Plesion, Slushy, that's for the rare, Deep Sweeper, Heroic Champion Extra Sword, Heroic Challenger, Heroic Challenger Night Watchman, and Solar Windjammer. Pack number 2. Oh, it's already open. Oh jeez, I think I just bent one of the cards really nice right there. Fishbowl Planter, Magic Deflector, Stoic of Prophecy, Exceed Extreme, Spellbook of Eternity, and Battle Break, Planet Pathfinder, Solar Windjammer, and Tripod Fish. Pack number 3. Spellbook of Eternity, and Bubblebringer Super Rare. It's alright. Haven't really read the effects, but it's a holo, I'll take it. Electromagnetic Bagworm, Deep Sweeper, Tripod Fish, and Heroic Challenger Extra Sword. Alright, 4th pack for the Abyss Rising. Did it again. Metallizing Parasite Saltite, Plesion, Lemuria, Gagaga Caesar, for the rare, Gendram, and Heroic Gift. I left the rare out last time. 5th pack. Abyss Warrior, Madolche Cruffson, House Dustin, Madolche Marmalade, Papa Corn, and Memory of an Adversary. Another super rare, that's nice. That's 2 supers from this. Deep Sweeper, Battle Break, and Solar Windjammer. Alright, last of the Abyss Rising packs. If I can get it open. Ooh. And we have Fishbowl Launcher, Stoic of Prophecy, Final Gesture, Hermit of Prophecy, Gagaga Caesar, and no holo. Grand Ram, Abe Conway, Battle Break, and Abyss Scale of the Kraken. I think that's only $5. That means res means I forgot one. Sorry, popcorn. And we got our 2 holos up here. Now let's move on to the Cosmo Blazer. Exceed Dimension Splash, Heraldic Beast Basilic, Hazy Pillar, Mermail Abyss Nose, Bushfire Knight, Hazy Flame Sphinx, Exceed Remora, Spear Shark, and Hazy Flame Cerebrate. Now onto the second pack and second last pack of Cosmo Blazer. We have Bot, Goblin Circus, never seen that card before, Raven, Griffin, Slacker Magician, and Brotherhood of the Five-Fist Snake. That's beautiful. I actually really needed this card for my Five-Fist deck, so that's a great pull for me. Leotor, Hawk, Tenkin. And the last pack of Cosmo Blazer. Can we get a bear? That'd be nice. If it'll open. Ooh, maybe just through it. It doesn't look like we have anything. Heraldic Beast Specialist, Crimson Sunbird, Tensor, already have my playset. CW Ultimate Shield, Hazy Flame, Periton, XC Double Back, 5 Formation Tank and Garbage Ogre, and Amory Lease. Alright, now to our Duelist Alliance packs, which are a lot easier for me to open because of the new invention of the little spikes on the top, which are really nice. Artifact Lancia, Cloud Castle, Battleguard Rage, Performer Pal Swordfish, Face Off, Shadol Hedgehog, how do you say that one? Nefarious Archfiend Eater of Nefariousness. Okay then. Superpower Samurai Swordsman, Yang Xing Unleashed. The card that got reprinted as an Ultra. Alright, pack number 2. Dracoscension, Super Samurai Blue Brawler, Aria the Melodious Diva, Cloud Castle, Scram of the Burning Abyss, nice. Battleguard Howling, UA Stadium, Artifact Chakram, and Formalpal Hip Hippo. Can we get a holo from the last pack, guys? What do you think? I reckon it's a possibility. I hope so. Deltaros would be nice. Change of Spell, number 58, Stellar Knight Alpha, Chaos Seed, Scarm, oh, no holos. Nefarious, Stellar Knight Vega, that's nice, I needed that. Curse of the Shadow, I thought that said Curse of the Shadow Realm then, would have been pretty funny. Curse of the Shadow Prison, and Fishborg Doctor. Alright, thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll just quickly go over the rares that I got for you. So I got all these, and I got my 3 holos, Bubble Bringer, Memory of an Adversary, and Snake. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed this little opening video, and I'll see you in the next one. This has been Adam Ortiz and Fake signing off. Peace out, guys.